Hey everyone, this is attorney Shawn Haff, the Criminal Defense Law Center. I'm the owner, and I'm going to give you another quick tip today. This time the quick tip is going to be what to look for when hiring an attorney. If you're looking to hire an attorney, the first thing I would do is make sure you get along with your attorney and that you believe the lines of communication with the attorney will be very good and solid, and that he's somebody you can talk to and feel, or she, and feel comfortable talking to. I can't tell you how many times I talk to people when they hire me after they fire the other attorney, and they talk about how there's no open lines of communication and they didn't feel comfortable with the other attorney. If you don't feel comfortable with the attorney you have, you need to hire another attorney. Straight up. Because if you don't feel comfortable with them, you're not going to feel comfortable talking to them. And if the lines of communication are not what they need to be, you're going to be very dissatisfied with your experience with your attorney. I don't retain every client that comes in here and wants to hire me. I make sure I have a very good relationship, professional relationship with the person. We have no problem communicating with each other. We get along, and the relationship will be very easy as far as communicating, explaining what needs to be done and what is to be expected. So the quick tip for hiring an attorney, point number one, is make sure you hire an attorney that you can communicate with and that you get along with. If you get along with somebody, you probably can communicate with them pretty well. And if you can't communicate with somebody very well, you're not going to get along with them. So make sure you have an attorney that you get along with, that you hire, and you can communicate with. And you don't have to be best friends with your lawyer, obviously, but when you have that feeling that you're going to be able to get along with somebody, usually that intuition is right. If you don't feel comfortable with somebody, don't give them your money. Go interview some other attorneys, and eventually you'll find somebody that'll be right for you, can get along with you exceptionally well, and then you'll have a good experience with your lawyer. Again, this is attorney Shawn Haff of the Criminal Defense Law Center, and that's today's quick tip regarding hiring a lawyer.